Located in China and founded in 2002, Xinguangzheng Steel Structure Company Limited has been specializing in designing and manufacturing steel structure workshop, prefabricated steel warehouse, steel aircraft hangar, wrought iron, poultry house, prefab house, container house, central air conditioning, industrial doors and windows, etc. Xinguangzheng has now become a high-tech, diversified, and export-oriented international enterprise integrating R&D, design, production, installation, construction, and service. We have got ISO 9001 certification and CE certification. We also build a skillful engineering installation and site operation teams. With the business principle of credibility determines brand, we have got lots of honors. National Class A Certificate of Professional Contracting of Steel Structure Projects, and is rated as AAA Standard Credit Enterprise by Ministry of Commerce and SASAC of PRC and so on. We have rich experiences on steel workshop plant construction, equipment supply and installation, construction and installation of steel structure for many years, with professional technical forces and completely related supporting facilities. Concentrating on customer satisfaction, we provide our customers with full sets of equipment scheme project to create steel structure integration project. Xinguangzheng regards product quality as its life and has established a detailed quality control system for different quality activities. We combine Chinese and Western management ideas and has created its own organizational chart in form of wheel axis based on its nearly 20 years operational experience. Our 6 factories have the control capability for full project lifecycle. As global standards spread and the global markets interact, Xinguangzheng has joined in on numerous satisfying projects home and abroad, such as Haier, Hisense, Sinopec, Qingdao New Airport, Nuclear Power Plant in Haiyang, Qingdao Metro, etc. Our steel structure workshops, warehouses, and other buildings have been exported to over 80 countries in Canada, Singapore, Venezuela, Panama, Australia, Dubai, Pakistan, Algeria, Nigeria, South Africa, and so on. Provided with professional equipment